What is autonomic stability, and can we build or improve autonomic stability with breathing meditations such as Kapalbhati, skull shining breath, or alternate nostril breathing? And why should it be considered in a personalized, holistic training routine? In this segment, we explore the functional relationship between breath disciplines and the ANS. Firstly, autonomic stability refers to the capacity of the autonomic nervous system, ANS, to maintain desired performance levels and operational characteristics within our body, ensuring a balanced and stable internal environment, homeostasis, despite changes in external conditions or internal fluctuations. This phenomenon involves self-regulation, allowing the body to adapt, recover, and continue functioning effectively during disruptions or stresses. Essentially, it's an automated system that doesn't require conscious input to function, though it is responsive to it. Fundamentally, the role of meditation is to optimize physical, mental, and energy coherence, function, and output, such as enhancing the parasympathetic system called the rest and digest response, and controlling sympathetic activity, the fight or flight response. Reputable sources recognize the effects of holistic breathing practices as closely interlinked with possible effects on the autonomic nervous system. Waxenbaum and others, 2023, state that the autonomic nervous system is a component of the peripheral nervous system that regulates involuntary physiologic processes, including heart rate, blood pressure, respiration, digestion, and the sexual response cycle. Additionally, the autonomic nervous system consists of 3 divisions: sympathetic, parasympathetic, and enteric. The vagus nerve is a part of this mechanism, which we've touched on in our last segments. During sympathetic activation, heart rate and blood pressure go up, your body breaks down stored sugar for energy, and the movement in your stomach and intestines slows down. On the other hand, the rest and digest processes are when your body calms down after stress and starts to focus on relaxation and digestion. During this time, your heart rate and blood pressure drop, allowing your body to rest. This also helps your stomach and intestines start working again, which is essential for digestion. Basically, it's when your body shifts into a relaxed mode, helping everything function in a balanced way. Also, the gut is closely related to the enteric nervous system, ENS. The ENS is often referred to as the second brain because it plays a critical role in regulating gut function, including digestion, nutrient absorption, and the coordination of intestinal muscle contractions. All 3 of these divisions form the autonomic nervous system. So why is this important, and how is it related to breathing meditations? For example, after intense workouts, a constructive form of physical stress, your body needs time to recover and rebuild muscle tissue. When you're in a relaxed state, your body can effectively focus on repairing muscles and replenishing energy stores. During this recovery period, hormones like testosterone and growth hormone are released, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. Proper digestion ensures you absorb the nutrients, like protein and carbohydrates, that your muscles need to recover and grow stronger. Typically, we think about eating, but pay less attention to digestion and absorption. Individualized breath meditations or yogic breathing can positively contribute to these needs, as certain practices can enhance the rest and digest response. Additionally, Waxenbaum and others, 2023, note that deep, slow breathing can enhance vagus nerve activity and promote relaxation, which can be measured through respiratory patterns. Due to the vagus nerve's expansive nature, it has been described as ideal for monitoring the body's recovery, which may be assessed through heart rate variability, respiratory patterns, blood pressure, and gastrointestinal function, such as reduced bloating or improved digestion after any form of stress. An example of this is the Kapalbhati yogic breath, skull shining breath, breath of fire. The method involves parasympathetic withdrawal, controlled sympathetic activation, and subsequent parasympathetic recovery. This focused practice on inducing a switch between the PNS and SNS is significant for its potential to build autonomic stability, a balanced, adaptable autonomic response. In the Kapalbhati practice, For generally healthy adults, when we say that a rate of 1 Hz means 60 vibrations per minute, we can think of a vibration as one breath. If you breathe once per second in a minute, which has 60 seconds, you would take 60 breaths. So, breathing at a rate of 1 breath per second is breathing at 1 Hz, which translates to 60 breaths per minute, 60 breaths in 1 Hz. But don't forget that this is a focused breathing practice with a particular method, duration, and falls into slightly more advanced techniques. The alternate nostril breathing can be a more beginner-level practice. Yogic breathing or breath meditations can help promote autonomic stability by creating conscious oscillations between the parasympathetic nervous system, PNS, and the sympathetic nervous system, SNS. This can potentially train the efficiency of the autonomic nervous system, much like building muscle. Through focused PNS activation, such as during deep, slow breathing, the body enters a state of relaxation and recovery. On the other hand, specific techniques can stimulate the SNS, preparing the body for action and increasing alertness. With regular practice of holistic breathing techniques, the potential to enhance the autonomic nervous system's ability to oscillate effectively between the two states may improve resilience against environmental or emotional stressors over time. This can translate to a well-trained autonomic nervous system that functions more efficiently in managing stress responses, enabling a better overall balance and stability in the face of challenges. Lastly, types of meditation can support the healing and optimal functioning of the autonomic nervous system over time. Yogic breathing techniques or breath meditations can positively contribute to the repair and regulation of the autonomic nervous system, which is often subjected to modern-day overload in several respects. Efficient autonomic nervous system functioning is an important component of sustainable muscle development, subject to individual suitability and individual health status.